Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change password in MetaTrader 4. To change password in MetaTrader 4, first of all, open the MetaTrader 4 application and log into your account. Once you're inside the home screen of MetaTrader 4, go to the settings button at the bottom right corner. Within the settings menu, go ahead and tap on your account at the very top and click the three dots right next to your account you want to change the password for. Now click on Change Password. Now you have an option to change your master password, investor password, or clear your saved password. To change your master password, click on the first option. Similarly, to change your investor password, click on the second option. After selecting one of these options, you can then type in your current password, type in your new password, and confirm your new password by re-entering it again. Finally, after you are done, click on Change at the top right corner, and that's it. You will be able to change your password on MetaTrader 4. Once the password has been changed, you will be able to log in with your new credential. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Basics for more MetaTrader 4 tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.